cash maintain town. What? Check out the gal them winding down. Yeah. Watch out the gal them grinding down. Yeah. Pick it up, gal make bumper spin round and kadong, 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 kadong. Chuck it down, kadong, 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 kadong. Don't stop down there. Come up, come up, come up, come up right, come up, right, come up. Chuck it down, come up, walk it down, come up, stick it down, come up. No. Question. Girl, who taught you to whine like that? I never know you gotta whine like that.
We're there sit down on the ground right now. Take a look. On the sidewalk we're there right now. What we there?
They're right in front of the tree that Jamaican cook shop. Road dog have the best jerk chicken from planet Earth.
I see for $3.
Pie. I selling pie. Right now I selling pipe. Right now I selling pipe. Right now I selling pipe. Girls, plenty pipe. Right now I selling pipe. Right now I selling pipe. Right now I selling pipe. Girls, plenty pipe. How much inches are pipe? How much inches are pipe? You want?
You drunk though?
Oh me nah, I never get
You tipsy?
Yeah, I'm tipsy. Hold on, the minute me to interrupt. What the man here, man? You only live once. You only live once?
Level?
Only live once.
Yeah, you only live once. Yeah, true.
And now look at them ugly ass white frogs. See, come on, Shamus. What they said, Shamus? I know your name. You told me. What's his name?
Bak John.
Bak John.
John, no, John Union.
Johnny who? Me? You wanna know my name? Yes. Me name Big Sean. Big Sean? Yeah, Big Sean. You Big Sean? Yeah. I'm a brother named Big Wayne. Yeah. Big Sean. Let me see you pull. I'm gonna point the girl out. You gotta pull up, Big Sean. Some of them girl are pussy fat till twisting her daddy. Let me see if you got game.
You got game?
I got game.
Alright, go talk to her. She will come. She will come in daddy.
Look at that. Ew, come on, man. Give me a dime, man.
She.
Oh, come on, man. I don't know what you mean.
Alright, pick one. Just pick one and go talk.
Alright.
So a while ago a little incident go on
And people start run.
Yeah. So we get a fire run a while ago. And from that we hear everybody that run a while ago.
But me not run too far though. Me run go right, just Trabass run go way down from Kingston Avenue and go down from St.
I straight in another lane and me run going down. Me and that brother.
Trabass, tell you something.
Move, cause you're in front of me. No, me don't know how to turn. Me not like. Me don't know how to turn, but me turn down in another lane there.
Hey, let me tell you something. A garrison me come from. And first thing you learn in a garrison, when you see people are run, even ask what them are run for. Just run. Cause nobody not got to stop and tell you what them are run for. You just run, and when you done run, you ask what you did a run for.
What is Labor Day 2011? And when you show the police we love we carnival, put your 2 hands in the air for me right now. And when you show them where you're from, show them where you're from.
I have pipe by the truckload, I have pipe by the case, I have pipe by the bucket, I have plenty pipe your waist, I have pipe in the North Pole, I have pipe all in South. If you want a pipe to smoke, I'll get one to fit your mouth. Right now I selling pipe, right now I selling pipe, right now I selling pipe, girls, plenty pipe. Right now I selling pipe, right now I selling pipe, right now I selling pipe, girls, plenty pipe. How much inches are pipe? How much inches are pipe you want? How much inches are pipe? How much inches are pipe you want? How much inches are pipe? How much inches are pipe you want?
Me a jerk chicken too. Yeah, me a say, see, new dance talking about chicken, it named chicken foot and it a shot, it gone global. So the galaxy we say now stop dancing, the whole of the girl them say, tree that. And chicken foot come like,
Well, I know some boy are dirty up here, some girl are dirty.
go over with it. Go over with it. Go over with it. Go over with it. Then step in it. Step in it. Step in it. Step in it. Then style it. Style it. Style it. style. And that are chicken foot. And look out for it, no cow foot. To the galaxy. Dictation, you see me? First I see a amount of people, you dictate to them. Just like Obama, you see me? To the galaxy, you see me? Trabass TV. Man.